Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make apple pie overnight oats. First, dice one medium apple into small, 1/2 inch pieces. Next, sauté these apple pieces in a pan with 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Cook them over medium heat until they become tender, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. This step creates a delicious, warm apple base for your oats. Now let's prepare the dry ingredients. In a jar or container, combine 1/2 cup of rolled oats. These are the base for your overnight oats. Then, add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. They help thicken the mixture beautifully. Finally, sprinkle in 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon and a small pinch of nutmeg for that classic apple pie flavor. Next, we'll add the wet ingredients to your jar. Pour in 3/4 of a cup of your preferred milk, whether it's dairy or a plant-based option. Then, sweeten it up with 1 tablespoon of maple syrup or honey, adjusting to your taste. Finish by stirring in 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract for an extra layer of flavor. Now, it's time to bring everything together. Carefully add your warm, spiced apple mixture into the jar with the oats and wet ingredients. Stir everything thoroughly until all components are well combined and evenly distributed. Place the jar in the refrigerator overnight, allowing it to chill for at least 8 hours. Enjoy your delicious apple pie overnight oats in the morning.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.